In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a VPN in Google Chrome on your Android device. It's a very simple process, so let's get started right away. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. You can use Wi-Fi, but if that isn't available, your mobile data will work just fine. Now open the Google Chrome browser on your phone. Once it's open, the first thing you need to do is switch your browser to desktop mode. To do that, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and enable the option that says Desktop Site. This is important because Chrome extensions only load properly when the browser is in desktop mode. After enabling it, tap on the search bar at the top and type in Chrome Web Store. Open the official Chrome Web Store page, and once it loads, tap on the search bar again. Now search for Free VPN. You'll see a list of VPN extensions pop up, and you can choose any free VPN extension from the list. Tap on the one you want, and then select Add to Chrome. After a moment, it will be installed as an extension in your browser. Once the VPN extension is added, you'll see its icon appear in the Extensions area. Tap on it and then select Connect. After a few seconds, your VPN will activate, and your browsing will be protected. You can now visit blocked websites, access geo-restricted content, and keep your data private while using Google Chrome. If the connection drops or you want to switch servers, just tap the extension icon again and choose another available location. And if you want a more reliable and faster option instead of using these free extensions, NordVPN is the best alternative. It's much more secure, has faster speeds, and works smoothly on Android. You'll find the link in the description if you want to check it out.